Hello, this is Hit Sports Cards with another new product break. Tonight we're going to bust a box of 2018 Gypsy Queen Baseball. It comes out actually tomorrow. This year has no jersey cards. Last year it was 2 jerseys, 2 autos. This year it's just 2 autos. So let's rip it and see what it's all about. GQ Glassworks Chrome Box Top. We'll save that for the end. I think we'll bust the whole stack and then see what it's got. Might make it go a little quicker. Right. Let's see what these things are all about. These cards look they're classic Gypsy Queen. They've got a nice stock and they look old. Our first auto, Andrew Stevenson on card for the Nationals. Buxton, Tim Anderson, there's Aaron Judge, Trevor Story, Jake Odorizzi, Cody Bellinger, Aaron Nola, Joey Gallo, Brad Ziegler, Javier Baez, Marcell Ozuna, Stephen Piscotty, and then here's some sort of insert. 31 of 50, Yasiel Puig. It's like some kind of black and white variation. That's pretty nice. David Peralta, Garrett Cole, Melky Cabrera, Ozzy Albies, Chris Taylor, Dustin Pedroia, Matt Boyd, Robinson Cano, Jason Vargas, Sonny Gray, Adrian Beltre, Zach Greinke, Lance McCullers Jr., Travis Janikowski, Salvador Perez, Jeff Samardzija. And then here's some kind of insert. Rafael Devers. Tarot of the Diamond. That's kind of neat. Nelson Cruz, Justin Turner, Chad Bettis, Mookie Betts, Luis Perdomo, Luis Severino, Gary Sanchez, fortune teller. Gene Segura, Reese Hoskins. All right, that's it for stack one. Also, if you're a fan of Gypsy Queen in the past years, you're not going to be disappointed with this year's. They follow suit. A lot of the cool little inserts and some of the stuff we've known the Gypsy Queen. Just no jersey cards. I think there's patch autos, but no just strictly jerseys. All right, stack two. All right, Rafael Devers, Orlando Arcia, Eric Fed, Edwin Encarnacion. There's a fortune teller, J.P. Crawford, Shin-So Cho, Marcus Stroman, Steven Strasburg, Matt Chapman, Carlos Carrasco, Charlie Blackmon, Whit Merfield. There's a Noah Syndergaard Thunder, Tarot of the Diamond card. Those cards look really cool. Kendrys Morales, Eric Thames, J.P. Crawford, Gary Sanchez, Rizal Iglesias, Mike Leake, Yuli Gurriel, Kevin Kiermaier. There's a Chris Bryant. Maybe that's some sort of variation. It's turned upside down the pack. We'll set that to the side and check it out here in a minute. Nicky Delmonico, Felix Hernandez, Ronaldo Lopez, Kelly Jansen, Buster Posey, Miguel Andujar. Here's some kind of Aaron Judge variation. Or it looks like an Aaron Judge blue. Numbered 18 of 250. That's pretty nice. Tucker Barnhart, Tyler Saladino, Ben Gamble. All right. Dylan Peters, Wilson Contreras, Irvin Santana, Trevor Bauer, Will Myers. And here's a Carlton Fisk turned backwards. Maybe that's another variation of some sort. Danny Duffy, Zach Britton, Brandon Drury, Jose Altuve, Russell Martin, Travis d'Arnaud, Alex Colomé. There's a John Gray. Looks like this little picture's different than the other, so maybe that's some sort of variation. Paul DeJong, Walker Buehler, Alex Wood, J.D. Martinez, Justin Verlander, Victor Robles, Billy Hamilton, Miguel Gomez, Jonathan Villar, Aroldis Chapman. All right, here's the last little stack. Chris Sale, Ryan Braun, Chris Davis, Jarrell Cotton, Obadell Herrera, Keto Marte, Yasiel Puig, and C.J. Kroon. All right, 1/3 of the box to go. Should still have one auto in it. Then we've got our box toppers still yet. I think some of those are autographed. Ken Broxton, Francisco Mejia, Hunter Renfroe, Paul Goldschmidt, Andrew Tolles is our other auto. That one's numbered 75 of 99. Danielson Lamet, Jordy Mercer, Ahmad Rosario, Clint Frazier, Miguel Cabrera, Rick Porcello, Luis Gohara, Joe Panic, Chris Davis, Kyle Seager, Felipe Rivero, Garrett Richards, Anibal Sanchez, Yadier Molina, Rio Ruiz, Johnny Cueto. Here's another Tarot of the Diamond, Yasiel Puig, the Joker, Bryce Harper, AJ Jimenez, Ender Encarnacion, Lorenzo Cain, Brad Miller, Yolmer Sanchez. Here's Marco Estrada. Looks like no team name. Variation. Mickey Mytuk, Eddie Rosario, Nomar Mazara. Christian Yelich, Jonathan Shoup, Corey Seager, DJ LeMahieu, Kevin Pillar, Joey Votto, AJ Pollock, Louis Castillo, Mark Reynolds, Tim Beckham, Carlos Santana. And a fortune teller fell out of the pack, Chris Davis. Jorge Alfaro, Sterling Marte, Shohei Ohtani, rookie. Sandy Alcantara, Evasel Garcia, Dominic Smith, Jose Quintana, Max Kepler, Ivan Nova, Ricky Nolasco. There's another numbered card, Corey Kluber, blue, numbered to 250. Brian Anderson, Zach Cozart, Sean Manaea, Evan Longoria, Julio Teheran. Here's a fortune teller, Clint Frazier, Josh Riddick, Elvis Andrus, Chris Archer. All right, let's see what's in the box topper. Trevor Story. It's pretty cool for the Rockies. All right, guys, we'll recap our hits. Fortune teller insert of Clint Frazier, Corey Kluber blue, Shohei Ohtani rookie, fortune teller of Chris Davis, Marco Estrada no team name, Yasiel Puig the Joker, Andrew Tolles auto, John Gray, and it's got some sort of different design right here. So I'm guessing that's some sort of variation. That's a Carlton Fisk. Must be a short print, number 308 of 320. There's an Aaron Judge, blue, number to 250. Here's a Chris Bryant. And I'm not sure what variation is on this one, but it was in a pack backwards, so I'm guessing it's some sort of variation. It does have a different code on the back. So, I'll do a little more research on that card. Noah Syndergaard Thunder. Fortune Teller of J.P. Crawford. Fortune Teller of Gary Sanchez. Rafael Devers Tarot card. Yasiel Puig Black and White or Sepia, numbered to 50. And Andrew Stevenson on card rookie auto. So, guys, that's our hit. Thanks for watching. Overall, I like his product. I like to rip it every year. It's a fun rip. And I guess until next time, have a good night.